Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about index. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Index is a part of modified strings in Python. The index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. The index method raises an exception if the value is not found. The index method is almost the same as the find method. The only difference is that the find method returns -1 if the value is not found. For syntax, I will show you in my screen, so let us see my screen. String dot index round brackets, and there are values start and end in round brackets. And you know, there are three parameter values in index, namely value, start, and end. Value is required, the value to search for. Start is optional, where to start the search. Default is 0. End is optional, where to end the search. Default is to the end of the string. Now, I will give you 4 examples for index. First example, txt equals hello, welcome to my world. X equals txt dot index welcome. Now print X. You can see the result is 7. For the second example, txt equals hello, welcome to my world. X equals txt dot index e print X. You can see the result is 1. Now the third example, txt equals hello, welcome to my world. X equals txt dot index e 5, 10 print X. You can see the result and those example. Or the fourth example, txt equals hello, welcome to my world. X equals txt dot index key. We can see the result that the result is error. Based on this result, we can summarize that the index method is really different from the find method. If the value is not found, the find method returns -1, but the index method will raise an error. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.